Good morning, everyone. I am going to mute everyone just so here in the first 10 minutes, if you're running around or you're at the office and you're multitasking like me, we don't hear the multitasking. But at the end, when I go through what alt text is and how you can change your alt text on your website, I'll go ahead and unmute if anybody has any questions. So for the time being, if you want to immediately get my attention, just chat. So use this little tool right here and it should pop up and allow me to see it. So today's Wake Up with SEO is all about what is alt text and why you should care. And so the first example I want to give you is if you Google best restaurants in Louisville, these pictures that show up first aren't by accident. So if I click on here and I want to go and see where this picture is, it's going to take me to an actual site. And then you can see that this is actually an article. This picture is 5 best places to propose in Louisville. But I got there from Googling best restaurants in Louisville. And so you probably yourself have, been searching something, researching something, and then all of a sudden you're on a blog reading about something that is so off base from what you originally were seeking. And that's what a lot of your prospects and consumers that are possibly a great lead for your product do. They're consumers. And so how do you get your images to populate on this first page of images? It's all about putting in alt text. So what is alt text of an image? You can see just by Googling it, it's essentially an image tag or metadata within the image. And this is what Google reads in order to understand what your images on your website are about. So sometimes, clients of ours or, prospects, when we tell them that Google can't read any of their images, a commercial real estate or residential real estate broker, they may have a restaurant and they're like, no kidding, Google can't read my images. And yes, this is the case. And so I want to just go ahead and quickly show you how you can change your alt text. So I'm just inside our website here, and what you do, if you're in WordPress, you're going to log in and you're going to go right into your media library. So this is where every single picture on your website should be. And so I'm clicking on this image right here, and you can see what it's about. It talks about quality score and how it affects your cost per click. Well, right here is alt text. A lot of customers and clients of ours actually put what the picture is about in the title. So it might read something like this: quality score in Google, right? Okay, Google doesn't read this field. What Google reads is this field right here called alt text. So if you're following along, this may be a good time to log into your website and see if some of the big images on your site have alt text so that Google can read what they're about. So I'm going to flip back really quick to this example. So I Googled best restaurants in Louisville. When I clicked on this picture, it actually took me to all 5 places. So it's basically what the article is about and relevant to the. So again, think about to here. This business or this website did a really good job of drive traffic to this because I am Googling best restaurants in Louisville. I may be somebody who is looking to propose. What are the top restaurants in Louisville? What are the top rated restaurants in Louisville? These are all queries or search or anyone might search who may be interested in proposing. So here I am. I landed on this article. It's generating free traffic and prospective eyeballs to this article that was written in 2015. I mean, but check it out. Their image is #1 right here on Google when you Google best restaurants in Louisville. So if I look at going to our media library and I look at, okay, where do I want this image to appear? I really want it to appear when somebody is Googling information about paid search. So I might put something like #1, let's see, #1 mistake most PPC agencies make, something like that, right? So it technically doesn't have to do with the actual, picture about quality score, but think about it. How many people are Googling quality score, right? If they're interested in investing in pay-per-click advertising, they're probably going to be looking for PPC agency, mistakes. Again, I haven't done my research in order to know exactly what alt text I should put in here. But for the sake of the webinar, I just wanted to show you what type of information you should put in this alt text so that you appear in actual image searches. And your image is ranking on this first page. It's going to give you free organic traffic, and Google is going to rate your landing page higher that this image is on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to smush this now. So then I'm going to save it, and that's it. And now this image, when you go to the site, has alt text so you can read what it's all about. So I'm going to go ahead and unmute everyone again. These Wake Up with SEO is supposed to be just a quick tip or trick to help you with your SEO, especially if you're doing it yourself. And alt text is huge in order for Google to understand what images and photos are of your site. So I'm going to go ahead and unmute it and see if there are any questions. If not, no worries. I'm going to send out this webinar. I've recorded it, excuse me, and also I'm going to also send out some of the other information, some quick articles for your benefit as well. So does anybody have any questions on how to change their alt text and why it's important? All right. Well, thank you all for joining. I recorded this short. Again, it's 8 minutes. I'm supposed to keep it under 10, so I felt like today was really good. I hope you understand now, and you can go back, and whether you're with a company, and you can ask your developer if your images on your site are being read and have alt text, or log into your own site, go to your homepage first and see if you have alt text with your pictures. Again, if you have title but no alt text, Google does not know what the image is. So thank you. I hope you took away some value and learned something new this morning. Have a great rest of the week, and I will send out this recording. Talk to you all soon.